Mapapatawag ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin, mahal pa rin kita o giliw pa. Pinakalilas
Para sa boss nat niyo.
alaala ang wish 101.7 Comes Radio San Juan. Dati anong saya.
Wala daw ganyan. Mamahalin daw yan. Mamahalin. Ay, naman sila.
Bakit di maamin na wala ka na?
Hindi. Ano lang.
Tuba ng pag-ibig mo'y magbabalik. Bakit ko na nasaktan kita ng labis? At sinabi ko sa'yo na kaya kong limutin ka. Bakit ngayon hinahanap kita? Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, damang-dama ng puso ko.
Francine, huwag ka manibre ha, ilatin lang.
Kayain ang isip at damdamin.
Cheyenne, 11.
Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Mulit-muling sasambitin at sinisigaw ng damdamin, mahal pa rin kita o giliw ko.
Wow! Uy, manilibre si Cheyenne, get an ice cream, get yours. Lahat po, get yours po, get your own. Kuya Dan, manilibre si Cheyenne ng ice cream.
Birthday ni brother ni.
Pa-birthday kay Kuya Dan.
Ikaw pa rin ang nais ko, magdama ng puso ko. Mahirap na dayain pa, isip at damdamin.
Ikaw pa rin ang hanap ko, mapapatawad ba ako? Mulit-mulit sasambitin, sinisigaw ng damdamin, mahal pa rin kita o giliw ko.
Sige na.
Kunan mo ko, Arla.
Ba't 15 daw?
See you step 10 kasi nakaano ka, mid-lip. Gigi pa. Tama?
Kung sana may ganitong ano no, may ganitong sa Pilipinas.
Step? Sa'yo to step.
10 peso. Ganyan para sa Pilipinas.
Ate Sharon, sa'yo to.
Bakit nga naman? Bakit wala sa akin?
Matataas eh.
Oo, ganyan na wala.
Ay, iba yung nakuha ko. Iba yung kapag ako ay nagmahal, isa lamang at wala nang iba pa. Iyong aalay buong buhay. Lumigaya ka lang, lahat ay gagawin. Tumingin ka naman sa iba, wawalang ibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig,
Siya!
patak may luha ko,
Iwan saksi.
Mahal! Mahal naman yun sa'yo.
Bakit nga
nga ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin? alisin ang landahin ko. Di mo man ako mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka mang iba, baliw na baliw ako sa'yo. Hanggang kailan ako ang nandis? O bakit nga ba mahal kita?
Si Steph. Unan mo lang isang ganito. Ilagay mo sa ref. Ilagay mo lang sa utaan. Mamaya na.
Ano man sabihin nila,
Magnum ba?
sa'yo'y di kailan na magmamahalin. Buong buhay paglilikutan
Durian,
kita,
unan mo.
di naghahangad ng anumang kapalit.
Rolling to, ha? Sarap ang durian.
Tumingin ka man sa iba, magwawalang ibo na lang itong puso ko. Walang sumbat na maririnig, patak ng luha ko ang iniwang saksi. Bakit na ba mahal kita kahit di pinapansin? Di mo mahal, kaya mo yung mahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Mahal kita kahit na may mahal ka lang iba. Ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit ka ba mahal kita? Mahal kita.
Akala ko magpupula ka.
Ate, sa'yo to.
Nagmamahal, ito pa rin ako nagmamahal ng tapat sa'yo. Bakit nga ba mahal kita? Kahit na may mahal ka ng iba, ba't baliw na baliw ako sa'yo? Hanggang kailan ako magtitiis? O bakit nga ba? O bakit nga ba?
Ang sarap ng...
Ate Rhea, kuya, thank you po. Ate, kuya.
Hindi na daw. Jayan, thank you for the ice cream.
PL ako sa'yo.
Ano yan? DL ako tayo daw.
May ano sila, may medley.
Medley, hindi sila dahil.
Okay, catchy. Catchy. Catchy.
Ang init, hinahawakan mo tuloy.
Mga ate, alas 12 po tayo mag-out. Anong oras na?
10:30.
Yan. Alas 7 lang naman na ako. Kaya,
Naka-ready na yung bag ko. Naka-ready na siya.
Si Shea, ni Tika.
Kilala mo si Chidala? Ito ba'y nalulungkot? Napabalot ka ng uot? Maraming inagit sa mundo. patungo sa pangakong paraiso. Nasaan ang talino mo? Diskarte ka mo ng tanong. Apakan ng lahat kahit kapwa mo. Minsan ang kagitingan ay wala sa bigat ng pinapasan. Sa pagsukot, pagharap ng kabiguan. Hoy, kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo ang mga bulong sa'yo. Di galing sa mundo, patungo sa pangakong paraiso. Okay, next. And now, it's been a long time since I cried and left you out of the blue.
Parang ano lang yan, today.
It's hard letting you that way when I never wanted to. Self-denial is a game it's strange you never will want to do. There was you. Cause I've learned that love is beyond what human can imagine. More it clears, the more I gotta let you go. What I don't understand is why I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my idea, I couldn't just deny the truth and lie. But what am I the only one standing stranded on this same ground?
Same ground lang ah.
Stranded yan ah.
Mawala tayo na sa lyrics na lang. Same ground.
What I don't understand is why I'm feeling so bad now. When I know it was my idea, I couldn't just deny the truth and lie. But what am I the only one standing stranded on this same ground? Gusto ko ka bang sabihin?
Huwag na huwag mo sa next. Sana.
May gusto ka bang sabihin? Ba't di hindi makatingin? Sana'y huwag mo na itong palipasin at subukan lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na parang nararapat sa akin. Tunay kong mahalin. Huwag na huwag mong sasabihin na hindi mo nadama ito
doon sa I think yung Wang Takra, yun yung nadaanan natin, yung may sinasabi natin na sawat di timay, di ba yung parang meron silang ano.
Sa isang magazine, lang yung suotan. Isang tindahan sa may bakaran. Dapat di nagulala sa iyong kagandahan. Nababatang tayo dalawa, di ko inakalang sisikat ka. Di ginawa ng pangkat, tinawag mo ko lang yan. Medyo pangit ka pa noon, ngunit ngayon, hey! Iba na ang iyong ngiti, iba na ang iyong tingin. Nagbago ng lahat sa'yo. Sana'y hindi nakita, sana'y walang problema, pagkat kulang ang pera kong pera. Pambili,
Isang part tayo
anong bilan sa mukha mong maganda.
Papanaw na natin, nanay.
Lord, tama ba yung tono ko? Tono, tono. You get by. You get by. Ayan, ayan, ayan. With a smile, you can win everything, but you can try. Baby, you don't have to worry, 'cause there ain't no need to hurry. No one ever said that there's an easy way. When they're closing all their doors and they don't want you anymore, this sounds funny, but I'll say it anyway. Girl, I'll stay through the bad times, even if I have to fetch you every day. You'll get by with a smile. You can never be too happy in this life. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do-do. Let me hear you sing. Do-do-do, do-do-do, do-do-do-do-do-do.
Ala ka, pa ako.
Hey! Magdadrive ako hanggang Baguio.
May lumalapit na driver, teka lang.
Hanggang Bicol. Magdadrive ako hanggang Batangas. Tapos magsuswimming doon sa beach. Magdadrive ako buong taon. Magdadrive ako habang buhay. Magdadrive ako hanggang buwan. Please lang turuan niyo akong love ako sa isang kolehiyala. Hindi ko maintindihan. Huwag na nating idaan sa maboteng usapan, lalo lang madaragdagan ang sakit ng ulo at bilis sa tiyan. Oh, Diyos ko, ano ba naman ito?
Sige, kaya mo yan.
Diba?
Si Tina.
Nagmukha ako, asa niya lang ako.
Gatas.
May dito.
Ang dami naman mura nito.
Ano ba naman ito? Di ba? Ako. Lang ako.
Gatas sa pag-ibig to.
Ano ba naman ito?
Parang ganda na rin ang boses mo kasi si Ate Sharon ang kasama ko.
Diba? Nakaabot niya. Kailangan lang ikasabay.
Parang si Ate Sharon, parang kasama mo si Ate Sharon, maganda yung boses mo. Grabe siya.
Next.
Pag si Chen kasama mo, parang kang lasing.
Starship.
Chen, parang
Ako naman nasasabi sa'yo. Oo, alam ko na. Natin sa'yo sa Starship. Natin sa'yo sa Starship.
Look in your eyes, I see a paradise. This world that I found is too good to be true. Taas. Here beside you, want so much to give you. There's love in my heart that I'm feeling for you. They say we're crazy, I don't live with that. Put your hand in my hand, baby, don't ever look back. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're heart to heart. Everybody, we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop us now. And if this world runs out of lovers, we'll still love each other. Nothing's gonna stop us. Nothing's gonna stop us now. I'm so glad I found you. I'm not gonna lose you. Whatever it takes, I will stay here with you. Take it to the good times, see it through the bad times. Whatever it takes is what I'm gonna do. Let them say we're crazy. What do they know? Put your arms around me, baby. Don't ever let go. Let the world around us just fall apart. Baby, we can make it if we're hard to hold. Everybody now say, and we can build this dream together, standing strong forever. Nothing's gonna stop
Next. Yeah, next. Yeah, exercise. Kasunod lang.
Oh yeah. Must have been love, but it's all now. Lay a whisper on my pillow, leave the winter on the ground. Awake up lonely. Is there a silence in the bedroom? All around. Touch me now. Touch me now. I close my eyes and dream away. Everybody, hey! It must have been love, but it's over now. Been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love, but it's over now. The moment we touched, till the time had run out. Make believing we're together, land sheltered by your heart, but in and outside, I turn to water like a teardrop in your palm, and it's our heart. Winter's day, I dream away. Hey, everybody! It must have been love, and it's over now. It was all I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. Is it where I want close, but wind blows. It's where the wind blows.
Maluwang pala. Talagang pala nga ako nakapansin ko ng sa teacher.
Wave your hand to the left. Wave your hand to the right. Wave your hand to the left. All right, all right, all left and right.
Left and right. Come on,
Up
come on.
and down. Count to 5. Must have been love. I'm You must have been good, but I lost it somehow. It must have been love. From the moment we touched, the time we run out.
Makanta ba sa dancer?
Must have
Sumasayaw
been
pa rin.
love, but it's over now. It was all I wanted, now I'm living without. It must have been love, but it's over now. That's where the love. Wait, nanay. Napigil ka niya.
Kasi ano naman, anong kanta mo, te? Tayo na. Anong kanta mo? Tara, sayo. Ano na yung girl? Ah, yun na. Ano yung ano? Ano naman ang dance? Para may pagkakas sayaw. Never mind, girl. Ah, never mind. Hindi ko alam yan.
Song and dance ka dahil. Ha?
Sayo lang ako. Hindi ko alam to.
You
Ay, alam mo ba?
can your
Ay, wag na lang yan. Kung di ka marunong. Ay,
kayo para makahear kami ng ibang song.
Chay. Para malaman namin.
Baka alam ni James kasi
Saya ko yan nung
mata
nostalgia ako sa kantang na lang.
Nevermind girl.
Sarap na french fries.
Mali ako ba? And cheese niya ba?
Ano to?
Kaya talaga ako nakakagano sila. Unang mahaba. Kaya unang panahon. Mahaba lagi.
Oo.
Yan pala yun.
Maria!
Exercise.
The time you first took a sleep by me, you looked at me as you were a dream, and suddenly I made up my mind. Oh, by the look in your eyes, I knew with surprise the time that we were all over now. I'm standing alone, still needing someone. Or suddenly swim the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind her. Swim the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll swim the night away. Mabuhay Philippines! In a dream, 'cause probably I just can't figure it out. Oh, and as minutes pass day by day, been searching for a reason you ain't gone. You say to me I get to my love in this. By the look in your eyes, I knew it's a surprise. The time when it's all over now. I'm standing alone, still needing someone, but suddenly sweet the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind her, never mind. We'll sweep the night away. Never mind her, never mind
Top Hits Karaoke.
Sana yung mag-search nito.
Si Cheya, nagbigo na.
Hindi ako maligo.
Siguro daw si Cheya, naliligo na.
Material Girl. Oh, wow.
Ate, maliligo, magpinit. Kuya Dan, maliligo pa kayo? Maliligo ba?
Wala pa. Algis pa.
Ikaw na muna.
Dapat pa na si Chien. Kaya 2 o'clock yan. 2 o'clock. 2 hours.
Yeah!
Some boys kiss me, some boys hug me. I think they're okay. If they don't give me proper credit, I just walk away. They can beg and they can weep, but they can't see the light so bright. 'Cause the boy with a full hard cash is always Mr. Right. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I am a material girl. Some boys romance, some boys slow dance, that's alright with me. If they can't raise my interest, then I have to let them be. Some boys try and some boys hide, but I don't let them play. No way. Only boys that save their planet can make me right day. 'Cause we are living in a material world, and I'm a material girl. You know that we are living in a material world, and I'm a material girl. In a material world. Living in a material world, and I am a material girl.
Kaya pa lang pala yun.
Okay,
Low bat na. That's all for today.